This is our wonderful Christmas blizzard. Holy. It's up to my knees. I'm gonna try to make it to the front of the house and go in the other door and show you how ridiculous this is. I'm gonna cut through the yard, I think. This over here used to be a bush. I'm up to my thighs now in my granny pajamas that I got from my husband for Christmas. Our snow-covered house. And this is why we couldn't make it anywhere out of town for Christmas. There's my wonderful body trail that I made in the snow. These used to be stairs. I'm not even going to check the mail because I know the mailman hasn't come here for a couple of days.